A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Today, we will continue the remaining part of the lesson, Fundamentals of Computers, Part 3. In the previous video classes, you have learned about the different types of computers, isn't it, children? Desktop computer, laptop computer, notebook computer, and a tablet computer. And also, you have learned how computers are used in different fields, like shops, hotels, railways, home, airways, office, schools, and banks. Isn't it, children? So today, we will learn about the features of computer. So before that, let us do a small activity. Okay, children? So the activity is write the task or purpose for which the machines are used. So here the machines and pictures will be given, children. So you have to write the purpose of that particular machine. Okay, children. So let us start now. The first machine is typewriter. Okay. So this is the picture of typewriter. Can you tell me, children, what is the purpose of this machine? Yes, it produces a printed document on a paper. Okay. So now let us see the next machine, music system. So this is the picture of music system. Can you tell me, children, what is the use of this music system? Yes, to play music. It is used to play music. Okay, now let us see the next machine, camera. So this is the picture of camera. Can you tell me, children, what is the use of this camera? Yes, it is used to take photos. Okay. So now let us see the one more machine, phone. This is the picture of phone. Can you tell me, children, for what purpose it is used? Yes, it is used to communicate. It is used to communicate with the people. Okay, children. So now, if you observe the activity, you can see that all the machines can do only one type of task, isn't it, children? So these machines can do only one type of task. So can you tell me, children, can you name a machine which can do all these tasks? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a computer. So a computer is a wonderful machine which can do all these tasks. So now let us see the features or characteristics of computer. Okay, children. The characteristics of computer that have made them so powerful and universally useful are speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, and versatility. So these are the features of the computer. So now let us discuss them briefly one by one. Now let us see the first feature, that is speed. The computer is a fast device. Computers work at an incredible speed. The computer works with much higher speed compared to humans. Computers can perform millions of instructions per second. It can perform a task in a few seconds that a human being does in an entire year. So the computer can perform calculations like addition, subtraction, etc. at a high speed. Okay, children? Okay. Now let us see the next feature, that is accuracy. The computers are very accurate. Accuracy is one of the most important feature of computer. So here the accuracy means the computer is always perfect in his work and never make mistakes. That means whatever work is given to a computer, it does without making any mistakes. If the data and instructions entered into the computer are correct, the result produced will be accurate. That means it will be correct without making any mistakes. Understood, children? Now, let us see the next feature, that is storage and memory. Computers have huge memory. We can store any type and any amount of information in it. They can store large amount of data in a very small space, and we can retrieve the same information after several years. because of its storage capacity. Therefore, the remembrance capacity of the computer is so high. Understood, children? So computers have a very large memory. Now, let us see the next feature, that is diligence. Unlike human beings, the computer is free from tiredness, lack of concentration. Hence, the computer can work for many hours together without creating any errors or mistakes. So even if millions of calculations are to be performed by a computer, it will perform the last calculation with the same accuracy and speed as the first one. So this is about diligence, children. Now, let us see the next feature, that is versatility. Versatility is one of the most wonderful thing in the computer. It can do multiple jobs at a time. They can work with different types of data such as graphics, audio, video, etc. So one moment it helps the user to take hard copy. The same time it supports the same user to browse the internet. And the same user can play the games or listen to music for entertainment. So understood, children, this is about versatility. That means it can perform different types of jobs at the same time. Okay, children. Now, let us do some activities based on the lesson. Okay. So this is the activity. So in this, here, speak any 2-digit numbers and ask your friend to multiply them in a minute. Okay, children, you have to ask your friend. You have to speak about 2-digit numbers and ask your friend to multiply it in a minute. And the same calculations you do using calculator in the computer. So you have to do the same calculation using calculator in the computer. Then now tell me, who is faster, children? Your friend or a computer? Is obviously a computer. Okay, children. Now, who does it without making mistakes? Who will not make mistakes, children? So it is a computer. Okay, children. Now, let us do one more activity. Here you have to use the code given below to find out the features of a computer. So here, features of a computer are given, children. So here code is given. You have to use this code and you have to find the features of a computer. Okay, children? Are you ready? Okay, now. See here, for number 1, the letter P is given. 2, D is given. For 3, S is given. So you have to use this code and you have to find out the features. Okay. So now let us start the first one. The first one is number 3. So which letter is there in the 3? It is S. Okay. Now the next, in the next block, 1 is given. So under 1, which letter is there? It is P. Very good. Next, 7. Number 7. So under 7, what is the code? E. Very good. Again 7. See the code? It is E. Then 2. What is it, children? Is D. So what is the feature here? The speed. So the speed is the feature here. Now let us see the next feature. Find out the next feature. 5. So under 5, what is the code? A. Then 6. It is C. Again 6. C. 16. So what is the letter under 16? U. Then 9 is R. So 5. So under 5, what is the letter? A. Then 6 is C. Then 13. Find out the letter, children. Y. So what is it, children? A, C, C, U, R, A, C, Y. Accuracy. So the next feature is accuracy. Okay, children. Now let us find out the next feature. So 3. Number 3. What is the letter, children? S. Then 10. It is C. 12. What is the letter, children? O. Then 9 is R. Then 5, A is 11. What is the letter under 11? G. Then 7 is E. So STORAGE. What is it, children? It is storage. So the next feature is storage. Now, Now find out the next feature, children. So 2. So what is the letter under 2? D. Then 15 is I. Then 17, it is L. Again 15, I. 11, G. 7, it is E. Then 14, N. 6, it is C. Then 7 is E. So what is it, children? So diligence. So now let us find out the next feature. 8 is V. Okay. Then 7, E. Then 9 is R. Then 3, S. Then 5, what is the letter, children? A. Then 10, find out the letter T. Then 15 is I. 17, L. Then again 15, I. 10, it is T. And 13 is Y. So what is the features here? Versatility. So understood, children? So these are the features of the computer. Okay, children? So now let us do some of the exercises based on the lesson. So here, these are fill in the blanks. So can you tell me, children? A computer can store large amount of, what is the answer, children? Data. Very good. A computer never makes a mistake. So a computer will never make a mistake. Okay, children? A computer can perform dash functions at the same time. So what is the answer, children? It can perform many functions, isn't it, children? Now, the next one is a dash computer needs electrical connection. Can you tell me, children? What is the answer? So a desktop computer needs an electrical connection. The next one is dash is the process of preparing lively cartoons as seen on the televisions. Can you tell me the answer? So it is animation. Okay, so animation is the process of preparing lively cartoons as seen on the television. Now let us see the next Roman. It is true or false. We can withdraw money through ATM. Can we withdraw, children, from ATM? Yes, it is true. A computer cannot be used at hospitals. So it is false. Computers are used in hospitals. The smartphone that we use is also a computer. So you all know that the smartphone is also a computer. So it is true. Computer can be used to design magazines and newspapers. Is it true, children, or false? It is true. So they are used to design magazines and newspapers. Now let us see. Next Roman, answer the following. Here some questions will be given. You have to answer it, children. So the first question is, what is the use of computers at railway stations? So already you have learned what is the use, children. Can you tell me? Yes, it is used to book and cancel the tickets and also to know the information about arrival and departure timings. Okay, children. Now let us see the next question. Write the features of computer. So you have already learned what are the features, children? Speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, and versatility. So these are the features of the computer. Okay, children. So that's all for children. Here is a small assignment for you all. Write the features of computer. So you have to write the features of the computer. So meet you again in the next video class. Thank you and have a nice day.